Hi, welcome to Explore SDSU. My name is Greg Harris. I'm professor and vice chair of biology and the director of Undergraduate Advising. I'm sorry that we can't all be on campus for Explore SDSU. It's one of the most enjoyable days of the year where we have normally tens of thousands of people uh, from the community and across the nation to visit with us. So we're going to try our best, and today I'm going to make available this presentation for you that describes some of the offerings from the biology department. All of our information can be seen on our website, which you can find simply by Googling SDSU Department of Biology. Should bring you here. From then you can explore our different programs. Let me get rid of my own video panel here, and so that we can concentrate just on the presentation. Today you'll have an opportunity, or Saturday, you'll have an opportunity to meet our biology advisor, Ms. Amy Tappan, and both her and myself will be in Zoom rooms on Saturday from 10 until 11, and then again from 11 to 12 for you to visit with us virtually and to speak and allow us to answer your questions. The advising office of the biology is there as a special resource for our students, and we advise our students on choices of courses across all of the sciences that they will be taking in their programs of studies. We help students articulate courses from other institutions that they may have previously taken or plan to take, and can then get credit for those courses at San Diego State. We especially like to help people who are challenged with our programs so that we can help them to achieve their academic potentials. And for all of our students, we spend a lot of time helping to keep people on track. And so it's a great resource that everybody is going to want to take advantage of. We have our own website, which you can also take a look at by Googling San Diego State Biology Advising, which will bring you to here, or from our biology homepage. And all of the degree information that I'll be talking about today can be accessed from this one website. The biology department is one of the largest in the university. We have about 44 full-time tenure track faculty. All of our faculty are research active. In addition, we have over 40 graduate teaching assistants and numerous staff support, as well as multiple lecturers. All of our faculty teach every year, and most of us teach nearly every semester, as well as running our research programs. And so, as you'll see as we go forth in this presentation, one of the bigger opportunities for your students at our institution is to be able to do hands-on research with faculty members in their labs. We have a pretty complicated program of opportunities with offerings of not only a Bachelor of Science, but a Bachelor of Arts degree in biology. The most common course is to get a BS in biology, and students have the choice to have an emphasis in cell and molecular, or ecology, or marine biology, or evolutionary biology, or zoology, thereby tailoring their bachelor degree programs to the types of careers that they are interested in after their degree. We also offer a Bachelor of Science in microbiology, as well as a BA, and a program that prepares students for a single subject teaching credential in case they want to become K through 12 teachers, and also a minor in biology, which over 200 or 300 people across campus take advantage of. All of our students, regardless of whether you're a BS or a BA and choose an emphasis or don't choose an emphasis, begin as a pre-major and are required to take 37 units of courses through throughout the sciences, including chemistry and math and physics and biology. And each one of these courses has a lab or an activity associated with it. And so this is generally what the students do during their first 2 to 2.5 years before they become qualified to be in the major. And once they are in the major, then there are another 36 units of upper division biology, which are required in order to complete the degree if you're in the Bachelor of Science program. And it's a few less if you're in the Bachelor of Arts program. Once again, this is when students would differentiate between emphases in either cell and molecular or ecology or evolution or in marine biology or in zoology or in the single subject teaching credential program by concentrating on courses in those specific areas. We have about 1,600 undergraduate majors, another 80 students minoring in biology, 200 graduate students in both master's and doctoral programs, and then thousands of students from other departments taking our courses. We have over 100 courses that we offer. Usually about 50 of them are available each semester during the fall and spring, and then we have some offerings that are available in the summer. Well, we think that what makes us unique compared to other large public research-intensive institutions is that we have a strong program and encourage our students to get undergraduate research experience, and they can use these experiences to earn credit in their upper division course offerings. About half of our students end up participating in research projects, and we believe that this makes our students uniquely prepared for careers in biologies or prepared to go to graduate schools or schools in the health professions. We have quite a large number of students that come in with the intent on going into one or more of the health professions, including medical degrees and physician's assistants and graduate nursing programs, veterinary school, and so on. So our students learn by doing. So we have not only our hands-on coursework approach, but also research opportunities on campus and off campus, not only with our faculty, but interfacing with local biology and industry and other institutions in the department. So just to give you sort of a flavor for the research opportunities available, students can work in fields of molecular biology, or they can, we have a specialized center called the Bioscience Center, where students have the opportunity to work in programs that are specifically oriented towards cardiology or immunology or in microbiology. We have a state-of-the-art Electron microscope facility available to our students that includes opportunities to work with transmission and scanning electron microscopes and high-level confocal microscopy. We have one of the largest public institutional museum collections that includes large numbers of exotic species of birds and mammals and fish and reptiles and amphibians and arthropods and plants, you name it. These are available, and also these collections are offered in conjunction with the San Diego Museum of Natural History. We have 3 field stations, one in northern San Diego County, the Santa Margarita Ecological Reserve, as well as the Sky Oaks Field Station. To the south, we have the Tijuana National Estuarian Research Reserve that is near Imperial Beach, where our students do estuarian research. We have one of the largest urban coastal and marine institutes, providing students additional opportunities in to do research in the marine sciences in sciences in a urban marine environment. Normally, we would have the Coastal Marine Institute Laboratory have their presentation day after Explore San Diego, and this will also now be offered in a virtual environment. Our students have opportunities to study during the summer and during semesters abroad with our faculty. Just a couple of the popular examples of opportunities for students to spend time abroad and earn credit here in Australia, here in Barcelona, doing state-of-the-art either microbiological analysis of coral reefs in Australia or studying molecular aspects of virology in Barcelona, Spain. We help your students find these research opportunities, but also you'll see that we have dedicated programs such as CASA, the Center for Advancement of Studies in Academia, that work with our students to identify and hook up with these opportunities. So to kind of like summarize in a nutshell, we have not only our academic offerings, but undergraduate researches that hook students up with labs, gets them off to conferences, helps them to publish data to prepare them for their careers, partnerships and collaborations with local businesses and non-government organizations promote these activities. And to summarize the experiences that you'll have here is that you'll have many small classes, an abundance of laboratory research opportunities with outstanding scientists and faculty, and that will help you become knowledgeable about graduate schools and potential employees. And so please come to our virtual Zoom office hours in Biology Advising on Saturday from 10 to 11, 11 to 12 to speak with Amy Tappan, the biology advisor, and myself, where we can individually answer questions. And also please feel free to peruse our websites to find out more and more information about our biology program offerings.